What's up everyone? So today's video, I'm gonna be going ahead and finally showing you, well I guess not finally, but we've been working on this for a while, just been trying to get that tune dialed in for the Procharged Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. And it seems like we're finally getting pretty close. I'm gonna send the logs off to Jay Green. We've tuned everything with the HP tuners MPVI2. And you guys will see in this video where we're at, how it's looking. It's pulling better than ever right now. We're hitting good boost levels. It's hitting where it's supposed to be, between 7 and 8 pounds. Everything sounds good, feels good. And I think right now we're probably almost at a level where I can sit there and start tinkering a little bit with it. I want to get that race blow-off valve that I have, that tile or teal, however you pronounce it. We're going to put that on next, but I just wanted to get the tune sorted out first. Anyways, enough of me talking. You guys are going to see, I'll just give you guys a bunch of the footage I have just from the few pulls I did. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below after you guys see this and what you guys think. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said before, if you guys have any questions, make sure to answer them in the comments or ask them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them if I can get to them, or somebody else usually beats me to it. But we're gonna be doing a lot more on the channel. If you guys are stopping in for the first time, also check out the other videos we already have on the channel. We've covered the whole build on the truck, supercharger build, exhaust, intake, tuner, you name it. We're doing the suspension next, and also this Viper here. We've done the full build on that too. So if you guys are stopping in for the first time, consider subscribing and make sure you check out the other videos. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.